Hello, good people of the world, Mr. Popper here with more ranked play for Unite. Well, I got my water, got my controller, let's go. And what I'm hoping for is to essentially use the newest defender, Trevenant. So, hammer time. And hopefully smash people with hammers. Hopefully this does not take too long. Man, it's actually insane to think I'm so close to actually being the Masters this time. Got your class 3, 2 more classes. Searching for pursuit, so this might take a minute. It's actually insane to think I'm almost this close to Masters. Let's see if we can at least get to class 4 today. Really hoping for class 4. And hopefully I don't get essentially weak lanes for Trevenant, so we'll see. Come on, number 10 person, hit that ready button. Smash it. Come on, I want to do hammer time. Yes! Let's go. Perfect. Ooh. Depending on who I win. Actually, might not be that bad. And beaming a little bit with potion. I'm gonna go top with the ninja. Might actually not be that weak of a lane then. I know I'm memeing with potion. It's okay. I'm essentially a tanky boy anyway, so running potion almost somewhat kind of makes sense. There's only a few exceptions to where potions can be useful for certain Pokemon. Like, I think Snorlax can get away with it a little bit. And then I've gotten a little bit away with it with Mammal Swarm too as well. Most time you want to run like slow smoke though with the big boys, so. But yeah. Even with potion. Hopefully we get some good play with him. Dang. Just trying to set up the two. Just go for the middle. Yeah, we got the middle. Oh. Kinda helps in those type of situations. Uh-oh. Aw. Sadly I wasn't that far enough away, so I do want to get a score though real quick. Oh my gosh, if I can get to 5, this would be great. We could try battling it. I got a potion. Oh shit, he might actually straight up die. There's nothing I can do about it. Trying to put up a valiant fight here. It's like I'm gonna get screwed. Get a kill. Yes. Traded. Perfect. And I got hammers. And his walk animation actually looks so good. get my points back a little bit. Hammer time! Let's see if I can maybe smoosh it in a little bit. I screwed up. Should have tried going for retreating. It's a little bit messy because we're kind of just all over the place, but I think I want to assist bottom for the Dreadnought, so. Damn. Whew. Gonna sneak away a little bit. Try to maybe push up top. Okay, Gradient's up there. If I can maybe get the pin. Just can't get away. Not the best gameplay, but kind of getting smoked just a little bit. Please block that. And the unfortunateness of rank. So bad. I'm kind of slow to a degree, which is like kind of unfortunate. I'm just gonna try to farm a little bit. Fortunately, that's kind of gonna have to be our game plan for right now. I'm a little bit behind on levels. So. Okay, now we're kind of even out now, which is kind of nice. Like I said, if I can get a little bit caught up in levels, I won't perform so bad.
You can do it!
Yeah, we can kind of see how the potions help just a little bit, so. Might reroute down. Okay. Time to play a footy game. There we go. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. Well, shit. Not according to plan, but. Yeah, I'm at 10 now. I thought he would maybe come down. Got him. Ooh. Good for me. Ooh. Ow. Good boy. Oh, I missed my horn. It's sad. That would have actually been a beautiful horn placement. Kind of unfortunate though. That's okay. Kind of sneak. Well, we're gonna trade, honestly, so okay. Staying alive with potion. That's fine. I think I'll take the second time out. what they should do is try to head down bottom and go for Trevenant. We can recuperate down bottom. I'll take my time. No. Really? There is time to take that. I might need to deny them. Shoot, shoot. If I can deny them it. Unfortunate. They should have tried to come down there and try to stop them from taking it. What I think was more sad was I had a chance to snipe it with hammers. It's just I missed. Very big mistake, but that's okay. We can get a 50 in.
What a goal!
Be kinda good. This is super close, and it's like, ugh.
You're on fire!
For now. Ah, shoot, I missed. It's fine, just stay back. Dance a little bit. Yeah, let's go. Go up. I got it.
Five, 4, 3, 2,
Hammer time!
time's up!
That's gonna be clutch if we actually win that. So we were getting our butts kicked almost the whole time. I had some really bad mistakes too. Like, I should have stole the Dreadnought. That was just unfortunate. I don't quite like the targeting system in this game. I kinda wish I could just hard turn it off and then just move it where I want to. I should probably do it to the advanced one, where it allows me to actually target a Pokemon instead of like a Pokemon champion. Oh. Like claw, kind of? No. It would be interesting. Wow. What a game, though. Yeah, so 2 major mistakes to a degree. Missing the steel, because I actually should have added the hammer. I think. It would have been very close, so sadly I missed the targeting on that. And then I think what my other mistake was. Like, I have scroll brain, so I'm trying to remember. There's one other major mistake I made, which almost cost us the game. But we're gonna try again. No lane with Pikachu Center. Hopefully you're... Oh, jeez. A center Pikachu. Okay, that makes more sense. There's a few other choices too. Heck, even Venusaur works for center. Hey, that's what sometimes me and my brother do when we play this. He'll sometimes go center as Venusaur and it works out. Racking up like 10 plus kills. Shooting seed everywhere. Well, I guess it's petals, because it's like Petal Storm or whatever. I knew a flower can hurt so much. And of course he drains your soul. Yeah. Curious to see how, if this Hoopa's gonna be helpful or is it gonna be somewhat troll? Cause man, there's a lot of funny stuff I've seen on Reddit with it. Or like people either accidentally fell in like portals, or you know. Yeah, there we go. Oh, perfect. Could have been better. But... oh, I didn't get it. Really. Wanted to get it. Yes, okay, good. Kind of going on the aggressive feet a little bit. Try to help a little bit. Go for the goal stop. Ah, that's fine. It's 4 points. Ooh, that's... let's go! I got my weird legs. Hammer time! Alright, good start. That's all I'm gonna say about it, because I have no idea what the rest of the game's gonna be like. Question is, can we... go. Hammer time. That's fair, you have that trick. I'm gonna do this. I'll just go for the run back. So I have my potion in about 10 seconds. Punish him for it. Hammer time! Perfect. Ooh. Let's go for the Dreadnought. Heal my potion. Yeah, we can just do this real quick. Yeah. It's kind of seeing what was gonna happen. Well, we might have to do a hard stop, but that's okay. I do have my ult, which I can use, which would work. Which I might tend to use quickly. Ah, I missed a little bit. Unfortunate. I got potion. There we go. Keep going to... ooh. Got it. I'm dead though. I'm out. Yes, go for me. Perfect. Thing. Could go bottom for. Oh, that's unfortunate.
You're on fire!
Essentially, struck that. Oh yeah, Talon Flame for the rescue. Let's go. And of course, I smushed him. My hammer. Maybe I just, get healed enough. Uncomfortably. After I died, I still got the hammer. Hold up. Hold up. Hold the phone. I died, but my hammer still went off. Oh no, it didn't. Well, at least we're gonna first stab at the bird, so this won't be that bad. No, definitely need the farm afterwards. There we go. Now I got it. Yeah, I guess we'll burn ult and I can just speed along. Nice. Kind of stole my hammer time though, but that's okay. Maybe we can get the kill. I want to get out before this gets ugly. It's more better to try to just get out of that. I mean, we scored, we're good. I could probably stop dragging up and escaping. What I'm going to do. Oh, nice juke. Nice juke. Hammer time. Okay. Well, I want to farm something real quick if I can. I don't think the Dreadnought is going to be... Oh, well, I guess we're going for it. Nice steal. I'm going to get the level 13.
The final stretch! You're on fire!
Let's see if I can cut through. I would just tell him go straight for Zapdos, because probably potentially going to work on it. No? Yes. It's fine, you can murder him. I'm just gonna go score. Let's get this game in the bag. Hammer time. Have at it.
Goal! What a goal!
Ooh. Actually.
What a goal! What a goal! You're on fire!
Just in case, if they don't get out, or one of them doesn't get out, I can at least go for a hard score stop, so. Okay, we got at least 2, so I feel a little more comfortable now. It's like idling. Okay. I'm starting to get comfortable. This is getting scary. Oh my gosh, they're just all fighting over there. I know that's the case. I'll just go down here then. You know, idle my post. Do victory circles. Horn Leech is gonna be important, but I wanna see if you'll come.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dodge.
Time's up.
Oh, glad the Hoopa came in. That would have been bad. Woohoo! Ultra Class 4, baby. Let's go. And sadly, I'm not gonna be greedy about this, so I'm gonna take my wins.
You win.
Oh, the perfect 999. Dang. Oh yeah. Thank you for the praise. It's I want to give it to the bird actually. The bird actually had some decent time-ins where we eventually got kills because the bird came in at the right time. Actually, how did the bird do actually? Oh well, I didn't really see much of his gameplay, but I bet he probably played really well too as well. Just looking at what he's done. 17 assists? Jeez. I mean, I did decently okay. Wow. I just got the appreciation. Cool. Thank you. Much appreciated. I'm likable. Ultra Class 4. Let's go. Man. Well, I'm probably gonna play with my brother tomorrow, so we'll see. So if I get to the game where I do get the Masters or promotional chance, then I'll probably film it. But yeah, almost there. Ultra Class 5 and the Masters. Wow. With the scary looking tree. Man, well, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Pop her out. Peace.